So you also want to get rid of those ugly context which we usually pass from one function to another, or maybe to widgets also. So here I am with a snack bar without context. We no longer need a context or a scaffold messenger to show our snack bar. For that purpose, I have created a sample application which shows a snack bar. Okay. Before going to it, we need a package called get, which is this package. You can go to the pub.dev packages/get and grab that package, go to your pubspec.yaml file and put it there. This supports null safety as well. So jump back to our main.dart file. For this, we have imported a get/get.dart package. In usually we have a run app. Thereafter we have a my app class as well. So in that we want a main thing which you should be noticing is this get material app. Usually what we have is just a material app, but for this snack bar purpose we can use a get material app. I have collapsed that. We only need that, and this my app calls my home page. In this we have a app bar which shows us snack bar without context. Wow. And thereafter we have a button which is a text button having a upload photos, and on pressed we are showing a show sp, which is just a function which we have here as a show snack bar. So here what show snack bar does is we have a get package, so we have calling on a get snack bar. This snack bar shows the upload success as a title. If I try to show you, this is a upload success. Thereafter we have a message text. I want to customize it, so I have written it in a message text. If you don't want to customize it, just put it here. Thereafter we have snack position. As you can see, the snack bar is shown in the bottom as well. We can show it on the top also. Snack bar position dot, we have a top value. So if I try to hot restart our application, it shows in the upper portion. Okay, just go back to our earlier one. Thereafter we have a background color as well of white, and we have a snack style which is as of now is floating. You can have the values of grounded also. Let me try it how it looks. It shows the grounded, and it have the square boundaries as well. Thereafter we have a duration. What duration does, it holds the snack bar to 2 seconds, or maybe whatever you want to set it. It can be a days. Nobody do that, but you can. We have a milliseconds as well, we have microseconds as well. Just pass a duration and the duration for which you want to hold that snack bar. Thereafter a main button. You can see we have this OK button which cancels the snack bar. How you can achieve it? So for that purpose I have added text button with a on pressed value and OK as its text. So what on press does is get dot back. Back is just a navigator dot of context dot pop. The same thing, but we do in a get as a get dot back without context, which is the most impressive thing which we have. That's pretty much about get package. Go check this out and consider subscribing my channel for such a cool tricks and tips.